In this video, I'll tell you how to use ClickFunnels to make money online. Be sure you stay until the very end, where I tell you how to make money by offering your services on one of the world's fastest growing online communities. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn how to make more money, make sure that you subscribe and click the bell. That way you never miss an upload. ClickFunnels is a software platform with several features that make it an all-in-one marketing tool to make money online. Here are 6 ways to make money using ClickFunnels. Number 1, sell your own product or service through ClickFunnels. The most obvious and best way to make money with ClickFunnels is by selling your service or product by using these sales funnels. ClickFunnels was designed for this very purpose, to increase the value in the cart of every customer that drops into your funnel. ClickFunnels works for any service or item you have to offer. It's great for e-commerce, retail, consultants, authors, speakers, professional services, and affiliate marketing. There are multiple funnel types inside ClickFunnels, and you will have to determine which kind of funnel to build first. These are the most common types of funnels. A. Event funnels. You can use live or automated webinar funnels to increase revenue if you are hosting a workshop or launching a new product. B. Lead funnels. This is used to generate leads so that you can have follow-up calls or emails with people. C. Buyer funnels. This is great to use in order to break even on advertising and generate a profit if you're selling a product or service and need a high converting sales funnel. D. Other funnels. For situations other than what is listed above, there are other funnels for things such as survey funnels and membership sites, to name a few. Advantages of selling your service or product using ClickFunnels. A. Simplicity. You have one place online where you can handle all of your business needs. Simply put, ClickFunnels is a one-stop shop marketing tool so that you don't need multiple online softwares to handle your many different business needs. B. Awards. Another benefit you have by selling your product or service through ClickFunnels is your possibility to gain one of their awards. For entrepreneurs who reach critical milestones in their businesses, 7 awards are available through ClickFunnels. C. Free templates. ClickFunnels offers free pre-made funnel templates. As a member of the basic plan in ClickFunnels, you have access to over 100 free templates designed by the funnel builders at ClickFunnels to use in your business. You can also get one of the high-end templates, which will set you back around $197, although the free ones are more than enough. Number 2, earn commissions. The ClickFunnels affiliate program enables you to advertise and promote ClickFunnels to others in exchange for a commission. Thousands of dollars each month are made by individuals promoting ClickFunnels alone. The recurring commission possibilities are one of the reasons behind this. If you sell one item, for example, you'll get a commission each month as long as your referral continues to be a paying customer. This way, you won't have to start from scratch each month like you would with Amazon affiliate marketing. Your profit will grow over time, and with little effort, you'll make more and more money. This is affiliate marketing at its best. Advantages of using ClickFunnels to earn money online. A. Promote products. There are several products you can promote on ClickFunnels with prices ranging from $1 to $900. Plus, monthly recurring payments are on some of them. When you combine these incentives with the sales funnel and earn a fee for every time your referral purchases anything, your earnings can really grow rapidly. B. Future commissions. Each person is placed under your affiliate ID when they click on your affiliate link to one of ClickFunnels' offers. This means you earn a commission every time they buy something from ClickFunnels in the future. C. 100% commission. There are several goods in ClickFunnels affiliate program where you can earn 100% of the commission. D. 40% reoccurring commissions. By promoting ClickFunnels, you can also earn up to 40% reoccurring commissions. E. Getting paid. Affiliates are paid twice monthly. And F. Free training. Free training is offered on how to promote ClickFunnels. Number 3. Promote other affiliate products by using ClickFunnels. If you're an affiliate marketer wanting to improve your commissions, then ClickFunnels is the place to be. You may utilize ClickFunnels to create highly converting affiliate marketing sales funnels that pre-sale your traffic before sending them to your affiliate offer, making it easier to convert them into paying customers. How a bridge funnel works. A. Opt-in page. This is where your traffic is directed so that you can get their email address. B. Bridge page. This is where you hook your traffic's attention by giving them the benefits of the affiliate offer and telling them how it's going to help them with their problem. When they're ready to bite, you send them to the sales page and hopefully earn a commission. C. Sales page. Your job ends here because the rest of the work is done by the company you are promoting. Your task now is to nurture your leads through email sequences and provide value so that you can start promoting new affiliate items in the future. Number 4, start a funnel building service. There are plenty of people that are interested in ClickFunnels. Every day, businesses search for individuals to create sales funnels for them. You can start a service that would create, customize, and launch funnels for them. This may seem similar to a social media marketing agency, but the difference is you don't have to worry about the marketing part. Once you educate yourself on how to build sales funnels and gain some experience by possibly doing some free jobs, you can offer your services to companies and get compensated for it. There are many possibilities in this market since it is quite new and the competition isn't too fierce. How a funnel building agency makes you money. The price you charge for building sales funnels is going to be your main source of income, but your revenue can increase through other means. You can also suggest other tools to your customers that they might find useful, such as keyword tools, an email autoresponder, or other marketing platforms. There are endless possibilities. There are other services you can offer once you gain some experience and are comfortable with it, such as SEO, copywriting, running advertisements, and so on. Just reach out to your client base and ask how you can help them. As with anything, you just need to start. Reach out to local small companies, suggest a sales funnel to them, and then offer to build it. The goal is always to assist them in making more money. Number 5, create and sell your share funnels. Another method to generate money with ClickFunnels is to use the share funnel feature. You can design and sell your own high-converting sales funnels with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is doing this very thing. They have several paid templates people can purchase to use in their businesses inside their funnel cookbook. To be successful selling your sales funnels, you must narrow down and choose a highly specialized industry. Customers don't want to spend their money on a generic sales funnel design that they can get from anywhere. You must test and optimize for each niche individually. The funnel does not need to be the most attractive, but it must produce results for the buyer. An example would be if you were to choose affiliate marketing, you could narrow it down to affiliate marketing on ClickBank. Then you could create a high-converting bridge funnel to affiliate marketers using ClickBank. Once you choose your niche and locate your perfect customer, figure out what they are doing in their business. Find out what sort of funnel they need to grow their business. Then, within ClickFunnels, build the funnel and start advertising it to your sector. You also get the commission for referring someone to ClickFunnels when people begin using your share funnel. This is a wonderful method to generate an additional source of money. Before I move on to number 6, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Also, type the word yes down below if you are going to start using ClickFunnels to make money. Number 6, become a member of ClickFunnels Rolodex. This is one of the world's fastest growing online communities. It only takes 5 minutes to join and it's free. Here you can be part of a platform where a host of individuals offer their services in the form of gigs. You can either hire someone to work for you and pay them or get compensated to sell your services. The nice thing about this community is that at all times, their security staff protects your monetary transactions. If you're familiar with ClickFunnels or sales funnels, the Funnel Rolodex is an excellent way to supplement your income. You can provide services and simple gigs to assist people with sales funnels, ClickFunnels, and their business online. Inside the Funnel Rolodex, there is the ClickFunnels Marketplace, where you can sell your funnel templates. Funnel Rolodex is increasing its membership daily and is a popular place for all users of ClickFunnels. It's like Upwork for online businesses. If you have knowledge in one of the areas I've just mentioned, you could earn some extra cash. The amount you get compensated will depend on your level of expertise, results, and reviews, so always do the best job you can at helping people. If you're looking for some more ways to make money online, click the video on the screen. Here, I'll give you some great online money-making ideas that you can start today.